Hello, welcome to the Rand Sport US morning briefing for today, 8th of October. Obviously the main focus in Europe today has been on both the BOE and ECB rate decisions. Both central banks left rates unchanged, and the BOE said it would keep its QE programme under review, which was pretty much in line with expectations. At the ECB conference, Trichet did say that inflation was subdued. However, excess forex moves were adverse for the economy, and as such the ECB was watching forex markets closely. These comments led to an initial bid in euro-dollar, which touched on the high as 148.03 before retracing the move as the dollar index gathered some upside momentum, which in turn caused European equity index futures to drop to session lows as commodity-based stocks paired gains. On the US data front today, we saw the weekly claims data come in below estimates, and as such this caused T-notes to move to fresh session lows. Following on from that, we saw the release of worse than expected US wholesale inventories, which led stocks another leg lower, though US equities did remain in positive territory. In terms of US equity specific news today, after market yesterday, we saw Alcoa report good results for the third quarter, the company beating on both EPS and revenue, and also saying it sees signs key markets are stabilising in the second half of 2009. Also today, Pepsi reported better EPS for Q3, though revenues were a little lower than anticipated. Nevertheless, the company did reaffirm its forecast and said if better 2010 EPS growth targets, if it betters 2010 EPS growth targets, then it will look to make additional strategic broad-based investments. Elsewhere, the retailers reported their same-store sales today for September, with the majority beating expectations, with the exception of Gap and Saks, who missed slightly. On the tech front, the Wall Street Journal wrote positively on the upcoming release of Microsoft's Windows 7, saying it gave PC users a strong, modern successor to Windows XP. In terms of broker moves today, Deutsche Bank starts Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley with buy ratings. eBay has been upgraded to outperform from neutral at RW Baird, and L3 was added to conviction sell list at Goldman Sachs. So looking ahead, we'll be eyeing EIA natural gas storage change data, as well as ICSC chain store sales. Further to that, the $12 billion 30-year note auction and aftermarket earnings from Infosys.